Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. This is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will discuss with you that how you can use the option of message in your Facebook page. So first of thing, let me clear you that you cannot send the message through your Facebook page to your any respondent or anyone who liked your page already. So you can reply to your respondents. If any person send you the message, you can just reply him. Like if anybody will send you the message will be shown in this tab. You have to click on message, and here the message will pop up. Okay, so you can just reply to the messages which you will receive in the future, but you cannot message to anyone through your Facebook page. So this is all from this tutorial, and thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next one. Thanks so much.